Hi guys, I thought I'd show you my new book. It's 120 pages. I'll just quickly read what it says about the book from the back of the book just to sum it up. This Wheel of the Year journal is based on the 8 Wiccan Sabbats, which serve to observe and revere 8 key annual traditional and seasonal turning points. They are interlaced with ancient stories, mythologies and customs from old indigenous European religions, a time when communities lived closer to the land and the changing of the seasons were rich with meaning and custom. These natural cyclical junctures also parallel or reflect the seasonal changes of our own lives. Gaining more awareness of this can alter the way we view life and can assist with healing, acceptance, and the discovery of latent parts of ourselves. Each Sabbat in this book is adorned and honored with art and poetry by Bonny. This book also contains lined and blank pages that are embellished with relevant art. They are to be filled with your own musings, ideas, and that which you may want to honor or revere for the purposes of reflection, healing, magical practices, or for seasonal information documentation as you journey through the Wheel of the Year. This book can also be used for guarding special seasonal recipes, memorabilia, and keepsakes, for there is a season for everything. Please see the link below or Bonny's website for information about where to get a copy of the book. Remember, you can also get a high resolution file of this Wheel of the Year calendar that you can download and use and give away to friends for free if you sign up to Bonny's mailing list at bonnyhut.net. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.